Okay, now we'll turn it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There, now if you look very carefully, it went off, the light dimmed a little bit, and then it came back on. So we keep trying to turn it off. So that was 7, 8, 9, 10. There, it took 10 times to turn off. But that one of the things it does is that when it turns off, the light goes off for some seconds, and then it dims, and then it comes back on. All right. All right, now we'll try to turn it on. 1, 2. Okay, 2 times it turned on. Okay, and now we'll try to turn it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There, it dimmed. It's dimming. The light dimmed now. It went off, but the machine is still running. The air purifier is still running. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There, 11. There, now it went off. 11 times. Okay, and 1 to come back on. 2. There, 2 times to come back on. All right, and it goes up, no problem. Well, a little bit. Okay, then it can go back down. And then let's see if it can go off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There, it dims a little. It's dimming a little bit. It's dimming. Look at that, how it's dimming. And still doesn't go off. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come on. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It's just not working. There, 26 times to go off. Okay, this is the solid carbon block Oransi.